Welcome to the latest edition of Next Gen Education. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming children's education. From personalized learning to enhancing creativity, AI is reshaping how kids learn and grow. Let's explore. AI makes learning personal. Tools like adaptive learning platforms analyze how each child learns and then customize lessons to fit their pace and style. Imagine a virtual tutor that knows exactly where you need help and adjusts lessons just for you. That's AI in action. Speaking of tutors, did you know AI-powered virtual tutors are available anytime, anywhere? They answer questions, explain concepts, and give instant feedback, helping kids learn beyond the classroom walls. AI is a game changer in special education. For instance, apps with speech recognition help kids with communication challenges, while tools for autism assist in understanding social cues. It's all about making education accessible for everyone. AI even makes learning fun. Educational games adapt to a child's skill level, turning lessons into exciting adventures. It's a playful way to build critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Finally, AI is key to STEM education. Kids are learning to build robots, program algorithms, and prepare for future careers, all thanks to AI-powered tools. AI in education is more than a tool, it's a revolution. It's helping kids explore, create, and thrive. Thanks for listening to Next Gen Education. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of learning.